Hi, second graders. Happy Thursday. Oh my goodness, it's Thursday already. Yesterday, we talked and discussed triangles, and some of you had your own toothpicks that you used. Some of you just drew triangles, but we talked about how once you had one triangle, it took 3 toothpicks. And if you wanted to have 2 triangles, all you had to do is add 2 more toothpicks, and then you would have 5. With 3 triangles, you would add 2 more toothpicks, and then you would get 7. So really what the rule was for that is actually +2, right? Each time you added another triangle, we had to add 2 more toothpicks. So today I am going to share a video with you first, and this video has to do with finding a rule when we're talking about patterns. So let's see, let me click the video.
All we know is when Hacker pushed the button, the frog hopped away.
We need more info. We've got to protect Motherboard.
I wonder if the number on the button controls how many hops. Input causes output, you know.
Inputting a 1.
2 hops forward. Do it again, Jax, just to make sure.
Input a 1, 2 hops forward. Same output as before.
Huh. A 1 gets you 2. Betcha a 2 gets you 3 hops.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 hops? Something must be wrong.
Not necessarily, Ditch. Maybe that's just what inputting a 2 does. Makes it hop 4 times.
Inputting a 2 again.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we've tried them all. What do we know?
We know the frog hops whenever we input a number, and each number gives us a different number of hops. Input a 1 and we get 2 hops. A 2 gives us 4 hops, a 3 gives us 6, a 4 gives us 8, and a 5 gives us 10 hops. All right! There's a pattern there.
A pattern? Where?
Look, a 1 gets you 2, a 2 gets you 4. The hops out are always twice the number in.
That's a rule. The frog's output is always twice the input.
Works for me.
Okay, so that video discussed and showed us how using input and output together can actually be applied to a frog jumping robot, I suppose. So I'm just going to move on to the next slide. So Jax made some changes to the frog's computer system. Use the data table to see if you can find the new rule for how many times the frog will jump. So if the input is 1, the output would be 5. How would you get from 1 to 5? If the input is 5, what would the output be? 9. If the input is 10, what would the output be? 14. What is the rule? What did Jax do to the computer system? What did he make the rule be? The numbers are getting larger, right? To get from 1 to 5, 1 plus what number is 5? 4. And what's 5 plus 4? 9. And what's 10 plus 4? 14. So the new rule is +4. Jax made some more changes to the frog's computer system. Use the data table to see if you can use the new rule to find out how many times the frog will jump. So it tells us the rule is +6. Oops. The rule is +6. So if the input is 2, what is 2 plus 6? 8. Yes. What is 3 plus 6? 9. Yes. Now they told us the output here is 12. If the output is 12, then if we're given the output, we actually have to do the opposite operation. So what is the opposite of addition? Subtraction. What is 12 minus 6? 6. Nice work. All right. You are going to be creating your own input-output table with frog jumps. So this screen right here is going to be on Seesaw. You are going to create your own rule, and then you are going to fill in the input and output table. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Have a good day.